Alright, here we have the Electrolux Olympia One 1401B that's been recently gone through. It's got a power head, a hose, some other attachments. We'll give you a brief demo. It is for sale currently by me at one car at the old-fashioned vacuum spot. It's been oil, grease, new bag, new filter. So let's give it a run. This vacuum cleaner is well worth the investments in Electrolux. Maybe an old model, but it works like brand new. The wheels will be greased. So works like new. Let's go. Works very well. Pulls itself along. You're just guiding it. Very quiet. Here she is, the Electrolux 1401B, for sale currently at $250. The wheels on the power head needs to be greased a bit, but they do work. Here's the roller. Just turn. It's this wheel here that squeaks. As you can see, it's all in great shape. So make me an offer. It's for sale currently, $250. Electrolux Olympia One vacuum for sale. Make me an offer.